You don't know that for sure.
This is Big Brother. Adekunle reports to the diary room.
Immediately.
Hello, Adekunle.
Hello, Big Brother.
Welcome to your diary session. Big Brother can see the smile on your face.
Yes, Big Brother.
Why are you feeling great?
I guess the air in the house is different. Everybody's in a lighter mood. I'm the head of house for this week.
Yesterday, Big Brother swapped your living quarters with level 2 housemates. What are your thoughts on your new living space?
Oh, I didn't even think this was gonna happen. I gotta say thank you, Big Brother.
The house is colorful, and at the same time, the space is small.
I actually think it's pretty cool. I'm a fan of cozy, smaller apartments, so I'm partial to the size of the apartment. I like the fact that it is smaller.
To me, it's cool. You know, the other one looks like a mansion, like a castle. This one looks dreamy, so I kind of like it.
I don't like the new home. I won't even lie, like, no cap, I don't like it.
The theme for this week is fashion, arts, and crafts. Talk to Big Brother about your fashion style and how important fashion, arts, and crafts are to you as a person.
I think it's everything. I think for me, like fashion, arts, crafts, like I feel like it's a lifestyle at this point. I think it's important to look good. It's important to dress good.
I know that I love fashion. I love dressing up, but I think my style would be more like street casual.
People's style now says a lot about them. You won't just be very ordinary if you're trying to pass a message, because every detail is very important.
I'm very conscious about how I look, you get, because I feel like, how you look, first impression matters, and one thing people notice about me first when they see me is, how I look, then how I smell, and all of that. So for me, I always want to look good, and I always put extra effort into like just getting things that are best fitted on me.